365 days.
I'd like to welcome everybody to my rooftop again. This is the retired lad getting ready for another Falcon 9 rocket launch. We're less than 1 minute to another launch.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
Falcon 9 is in startup. It's a beautiful day here on Space Coast, so grab you a
Ready
drink.
for the call out of go for launch from the launch director.
Sit back and enjoy the show. Pictures will be coming later on tonight.
Get that call up that the Falcon 9 is ready for launch.
Falcon 9 is ready for
coming
launch.
up on the last 35 seconds. 30 seconds.
Hey, look up in 30 seconds. All right, here we go.
15 seconds. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition.
And launch.
And liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket supporting a Cygnus spacecraft for the very first time. Falcon 9 rocket has cleared the tower.
There she is.
Some great views from our tracking team here around Central Florida. This view from our friend Chuck Briggs. Let's listen to the roar of those 9 Merlin engines.
Hey, look up.
Where they call out that vehicle's passing.
Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm trying to get good pictures of it.
On the vehicle.
It's a pretty good picture today.
Minute and a half into the mission now. Coming up as we head into the second minute of the mission, there'll be a number of items happening in quick succession. The main engine cut off at 2 minutes and 16 seconds.
I'll offset due to the sun. There it is.
Then the second stage engine will start, that Merlin vacuum engine. 2 minutes 33 seconds, we'll see the start of the boost back burn. And then just before the 3-minute mark, the fairing deployment will begin.
It's hard to track it on the roof with the sun in my eyes.
Pete Karstens. We saw Chuck Briggs as well as Adam Bernstein as well.
I don't know if I can see it or not.
Stage separation there on your screen. These views from onboard SpaceX cameras. You see that first stage falling back down towards Florida. The boost back burn also underway.
I'm gonna keep the camera on just in case we can see the landing. Flying out in the middle of the ocean, so we might not see it.
Momentarily. And that call for fairing separation.
Alright, I'm gonna kill the feed. If it comes back down, I'll start recording again. Hope everybody enjoyed the show. Sorry I lost it. It's hard to see midday with the sun glaring down on your eyes on the roof. 420.